Hello, welcome to Miller's Crossing Design Summer, Fall, and Door Tag tutorial. Please take a moment and pause the video while you check over all your supplies and don't forget your blow dryer. The first step is going to be paint one side black. To help the paint dry faster, you may utilize a blow dryer. Next step is paint one side white. Again, you can use a blow dryer to help it dry quicker. The next step is we're going to lay out our first set of stencils, the popsicles and the welcome. We are going to work our way through sponging white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Starting with the white paint, not a lot on your sponge, you're going to use a dabbing motion up and down, up and down. Continue on through the red, the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, and the purple. And using your popsicle sticks last. You may utilize a blow dryer to help this process dry quicker. Next, overlay your summer words and using the white paint and sponge, stencil the word summer over the top of your popsicles. We are going to continue on to the second side and we're going to lay out our stencils of the welcome and the leaves. Starting with the welcome, get your paint color of choice and utilize the up and down dabbing motion. Now at any time, you can pause the video till you move on to the next step. Utilize the blow dryer to help that welcome dry quicker. Next, we're going to work on the leaves with a shading and blending technique. We are going to start with the red paint, move on to the orange, and the yellow for last. As you can see, I've already applied the red around the edges, and now I'm enhancing the center with orange. My last step will be utilize the yellow and accent the center of those leaves so they truly look like a New York fall leaf. Utilize your blow dryer to help them dry quickly. Remove all your stencils before placing the last stencil of the letters fall over the center of each leaf using your white paint sponge the word fall on. Dry and complete with your favorite top coat or wax and hang on your front door. Make sure you follow us and thank you for joining us.